How to add a new payment method in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Hover over your company avatar at the top right corner and click Billing Details. Choose Add Payment Method. You can add either ACH or credit, debit card. To add ACH, select Direct Debit, ACH, and then add New Bank. TruckX Inc. uses Plaid to connect your account. Click on Continue and follow the prompts on Plaid's page. To add credit or debit cards, select Credit, Debit Cards. Click on Add New Card. Enter your card details and billing address, then click Add Card. This card will be saved to your account and automatically set as the default payment method for autopay and any pending invoices.